everyone, welcome back to the channel. You guys must be wondering like what is this background? I know it looks like an airport background. Yes, of course, I'm at the Toronto Pearson Airport right now and we have a flight that we are traveling and I'm super duper excited. I might look a little tired because I have gone through a lot in the past 1 month. I'll share you in a bit. Let's go and book the flight. I know it's been a long, I haven't vlogged. मुझे लगता है weeks हो गए होंगे. Imran, what do you think? No, more than weeks. It was 1.5 months. I'll share like I have been through a lot since the past 1 month. Anyway, I'll give you the update. But before that, let's go to the check-in. So guys, we have our flight with Air Canada. Basically, हमारी flight 7 p.m. थी, but it has been delayed, and our flight is 10 p.m. We try to come late, but you guys know Imran Khan is always ahead of time. Oh yeah, Imran, you didn't say hi to the camera.
Hi, right?
It
Almost
has
a
been
month, right?
more than a month.
More than a month.
And Imran was also missing, being in the vlogs and stuff like
Vlogging
that.
times.
But anyway, it was really
But now
hard.
we have back-to-back vlogs.
Yeah, we'll be very continuous. I don't know why I'm short of words. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे vlogging नहीं की ना बहुत time से. Anyway,
No,
let's
it's all
just go and get
Let's
the
go for
check-in.
check-in first because flight is delayed.
Yeah, and let me then sit with.
What happened?
Yeah. So Imran, let's just begin.
French,
English.
Chinese.
What is all this?
Carry-on baggage only. So everything is on carry bag. Okay, carry-on is this one, right?
So we just
Cycling.
have these two bags.
This one,
And we have one this backpack. You know what guys, basically जब भी आप कनाडा में डोमेस्टिक ट्रैवल करते हो ना, बहुत कम ऑप्शंस होते हैं लगेज में. लाइक इन इंडिया व्हेन और इंटरनेशनली ऑल्सो व्हेन वी ट्रैवल हमारे पास वो 23 kgs का ऑप्शन होता है, बट यहाँ पे यू हैव टू पे फॉर एवरीथिंग. नॉर्मल फ्लाइट अगर आप फ्लेयर वगैरह की लोगे आपके पास तो कैबिन बैग का भी ऑप्शन नहीं होता. यू जस्ट हैव टू हैव द बैकपैक, दैट्स ऑल. बट we are traveling from Air Canada, so at least we got the option. So we got the 2 cabin bags with us, and जिसमें weight की limit and all that नहीं होती है, but obviously the size should not exceed the limit. So that's the reason we have the cabin bags with us and the backpack. That's all for domestic travels here in Canada. Man, what's that?
This is the meal voucher. The
Meal voucher?
flight is delayed, right? That's why.
Oh, just because of the flight is delayed, they gave us a free meal voucher for $15. Wow, not bad.
You can have something for Tim Hortons.
Oh, that's great. And this is airport पे ही सिर्फ eligible या कहीं और पे
I
भी?
don't know. The first time I've seen that.
But what
This is
about
from
you?
Air Canada.
What about you? You're also getting yours?
Let's ask the counter.
Yeah. Oh God! Look, there is the Air Canada turbine, and this is looking so good.
This is the main engine.
This is the main engine of Air Canada, but this is looking really good. So guys, we are completely done with our checking and stuff, and we have still 2 hours left at the airport because it's 8 p.m. right now. Oh, I just saw Starbucks background mein, so I think it's time to get a coffee because I am super duper tired. We haven't slept the whole night. Can you imagine? Oh yeah, I have to tell you the story also why I was not vlogging. First, let's grab the coffee. So we got our drinks from Starbucks. Mine is pretty okay because I got this
Like caramel.
mocha cookie frappe, but it's like kind of sweet for me. I don't like this much sweet, although मैंने उसको half sweet बोल दिया था. But I don't know why
This is
I
caramel.
like more of Imran's. This is caramel frappuccino.
This is super sweet.
This is super sweet, maybe that's why you like it. And मेरे साथ ना हमेशा ये होता है, the things which I order are not that tasty, and the things which Imran order is like, I always grab that one. Anyway, हमें हमेशा share करना चाहिए. Sharing is good.
Feeling is scary.
Sharing is caring. So guys, now comes the main thing, like why I was not recording for straight 1 month. I think more than that. The thing is that I was having a headache. It was not a headache, it was a migraine, headache, sinus, and I lasted it for like so many days. It's been a month. I am struggling from that. Alhamdulillah. Like my test and everything, I have gone through a lot and everything is well. It's just the migraine and the sinus. I had headaches childhood में, but this shooting thing was like completely different. कभी भी मैंने experience नहीं की थी. So anyway, we are just out of that zone, and that was the only reason I suffered a lot professionally भी and personally भी. I was not cooking food, like you know, normal जो schedule था life का वो हो ही नहीं रहा था. Like we are eating out, you know, grabbing quick meals. Imran is cooking here and there because he is not
skills.
yeah, Imran showed his cooking skills by making burnt burgers and sandwiches. So anyway, so we are just out for our vacation. It's our anniversary also. It was pre-planned, but then it got, like you know, I can
It's
say
on and off.
yeah, it was on and off. It got cancelled because of my health, and like you know, 2 days back we decided no, we are going. So it's our anniversary also, 1st of September.
Not yet.
Not yet. अभी हम 31st में ही है, कल anniversary है. So yeah, we are going to the place which I wanted from so long because it's the best place of Canada and the world.
Only in
I think
summer.
I don't know, and it's
Only in
a,
summer.
what?
Only in summer.
Yeah, it is a summer place, so I just wanted to go, like you know, before it comes winters here in Canada. So let's go. You know what, guys? I just noticed this thing for the first time. There's a family lounge here at the airport, and it's a kind of mini theater जहाँ पे आप अपने kids के साथ, बच्चों के साथ, और the family can watch the movie inside and free of cost. You just have to go and sit. Let me show you from the back camera. I've never seen this thing in any airport. Although मैं बहुत सारे airports पे नहीं गई हूँ, but this is the coolest thing ever. You can go and get there with the kids. You know what, guys, we were just passing by and हमने कितनी amazing chocolate place देखी. It's called as Rocky Mountain Chocolate, and this is somehow related to the place where we are going. So their packaging is so damn cute. Just look at this. So we are just buying this, but हम ये सोच रहे हैं कि like should we buy now or wow, just look at this maple leaf chocolate. But this is really good. Just look at the packaging. I just love this triangle shaped box. This is so damn cute, and this is how it looks from inside. And they have maple leaf chocolate, and they have these cute little chocolates. I really like the packaging. Oh god, this is so cute. And I think they don't have this international. Oh wow, that balls are also cute. Oh my god, just look at this chocolate. This is so cute, and this is for how much? I don't know how much is it for, but this is the cutest chocolate ever. Daisy. Finally, we are boarding.
After 4 hours.
Yeah.
4 hours.
After flight delays and all. I'm super duper excited. Finally, we are boarding. So we are finally inside the flight and we are looking for our seats. Mine is 24F. So where am I? Is it 24? मेरा क्या है 24F? Yeah, so this is 24F. Let's. Where we are going, and we are going there for 7 days. I don't know, you can guess or no, but we'll let you know once we arrive there. And let's start the movie. Finally, guys, we have reached the airport, as you can see from the back. But it is 1:30 AM right now. हमारी flight बहुत ज़्यादा delay थी. I don't know why Air Canada gets delayed. I don't know, there was something technical or mechanical issue from the back end. Anyway, we have reached our destination and we are going straight to our Airbnb. I told you guys that this was a last moment trip. Like this was a pre-planned trip, but last moment तक हमें नहीं पता थी कि we will be going or no. So Imran had no hotel booking. So last minute, you know, it's super duper expensive getting, and यहाँ पे long weekend भी चल रहा है, so prices were triple than the usual prices. So we are going to a Airbnb which Imran has already booked. So let's go. We are waiting for the cab and it's so cold outside. So let's go. Imran, is the cab done?
Yeah, it's done.
It's coming in 3 minutes. Okay.
Let's go.
Our cab person is super duper slow and I'm so sleepy. 2 बज गए मतलब 1:45 and finally he's here after 500 years. I don't know why we got our cab first cancelled. We booked another one and then it's taking forever to get the cab.
We have cancellations.
Delays. Yeah, it starts from flight and now it's happening with the cabs as well. But he's here. Oh yeah, they got to know from this. Yes, we are going here. Yes, we are here. Finally, we have reached our Airbnb and it's 3 a.m. right now in the morning. And I'm so tired and I just want to go and sleep. Anyway, let me tell you why are we here and where are we, the main thing. So the thing is, we are in Alberta. It's a province in Canada, just 4 hours from Toronto to Alberta. So we are staying in Calgary and we are here for 7 days. We will explore Banff, we will explore Canmore and Calgary. So stay tuned for the next vlogs. There are going to be an exciting vlogs coming and we are here. The main purpose of being here is it's our wedding anniversary. So we have completed 4 years of wedding. The wedding anniversary I cannot say is the main reason, like, you know, specifically to be here. हमने बहुत पहले प्लान किया था but due to some things we were not able to do it, so that's why we just, you know, had this date. So that's why we thought let's just do this way. So yeah, stay tuned for the coming vlogs. There are going to be amazing vlogs coming because this location is the world's best location. That's what people say. This location is known for the mountains, the glaciers, the beautiful iconic lakes. So stay tuned for the vlogs and see you tomorrow in the morning. Bye. Good night. I'm so scared. I don't know why मैं इतनी adventurous नहीं हूँ. I don't know why I don't like to do adventure. मतलब मुझे उतना ही ठीक लगता है जितना you're safe. Something more. What is this song coming?